So C is for credit cards. Now, most people in the UK will have credit cards. In fact, I saw a statistic recently that if you stacked all the credit cards made in a year on end, they would be as tall as Mount Everest, which is just phenomenal. Okay, so credit cards are a fact of life, and they can be very useful tools. You know, shopping online, the convenience of paying for things like petrol and then balancing it at the end of the month, fantastic. The problem is where you supplement your income by spending money on credit cards and you don't clear at the end of the month, and then you get into a snowball effect. So you end up paying more and more and more, and then eventually you're left with a balance that becomes a bit out of control. So the tip is really, first of all, to be aware of what you're spending and pay off your balance every month if you can. If you're not able to clear the balance every month, don't fall foul to just paying the minimum percentage. Banks quite often, or credit card companies, set you up by paying the minimum amount as a percentage by direct debit, and you think you're just clearing it every month. The problem is that can take you years and years and years, up to 20 years, to clear that off. So if you work out what the percentage might be, and it as a pound value, say maybe 50 quid a month, pay the 50 quid a month, and then that amount becomes fixed every month, rather than paying the 2 or 3%, which might equate to about £50, because that amount the pound amount will reduce every month, and you'll end up owing the amount of money for a longer time. Okay, so that's a little tip. First of all, clear your balance if you can. If you can't, pay a fixed amount direct debit rather than a percentage, and that will save you thousands of pounds in the long run. Thank you.